So, you want to know how to troubleshoot when your ONNX model conversion to TensorFlow format encounters errors on the Qualcomm AI Hub. I got you to address ONNX to TensorFlow. Conversion failures on the Qualcomm AI Hub. First, verify that all operators in your ONNX model are supported by the TensorFlow version and converter used by the hub. Ensure your model is valid using ONNX tools, and update all relevant libraries, including ONNX TensorFlow and any Qualcomm-specific tools, to their latest compatible versions. Check the detailed error logs from the hub for specific unsupported operations or issues. If problems persist, consult Qualcomm AI Hub documentation and developer forums, or try converting the model locally using standard tools like the ONNX TensorFlow package to isolate the issue before attempting to use it in the hub. And that's it.